Proper preparation prevents premature driveway replacement by stopping the water, ice, and root damage that causes heaving and cracking. Start by assessing grade and drainage around the driveway and correct any slopes that funnel water toward the slab rather than away. Clean the surface thoroughly using a stiff broom or pressure washer on a low setting to remove debris and organic material that trap moisture. Allow the slab to dry completely before any sealing. For joints and hairline cracks, use a closed cell backer rod to fill deep gaps before applying a flexible sealant, so the sealant only bonds to the sides and can move with temperature changes. Install and maintain perimeter controls, such as gravel-filled swales or channel drains, to divert runoff at least 2 feet away from the slab edge and prevent saturation of the subbase. When edges show exposure of the aggregate or the subbase, add a compacted granular backfill and edge restraint to stop lateral movement and root intrusion from nearby plantings. Finally, apply a quality breathable concrete sealer every 2 to 3 years, focusing on porous areas and joints, to reduce water penetration while allowing trapped moisture to escape. Common mistakes start with ignoring small cracks because they seem cosmetic. Those cracks let water in and will expand into larger failures, so always route and seal early. People often install joint sealant directly into deep voids without backer rod, which creates 3-sided adhesion and traps stress, so use backer rod to set the correct sealant depth. Another frequent issue is poor surface cleaning before sealing, which prevents adhesion and shortens sealer life. Always remove oil, dirt, and organic residue, and let the concrete dry fully before applying any protection. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and a discussion community where we share real experiences and practical tips about driveway prep and long-term maintenance. We help contractors find work through project listings and let both homeowners and contractors learn from community conversations.